Today we're going to make Turkish bread. There's this video online and it's garnered 8 million views. Let's give it a try. Let's start by mixing in the dry ingredients. Here we have 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of yeast, and we got 1 teaspoon of salt. We're just gonna dump in there as well. Let's mix this up. Now we're gonna add our liquids. Here I have 150 milliliters of warm water. Let's add that in. 150 milliliters of warm milk going in. And mix again. I gotta add in about 3 tablespoons worth of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Let's mix this in as well. Now we're gonna knead the dough for about 10 minutes and get ourselves a nice smooth ball. All right, gonna quickly grease up this new mixing bowl here. And just gonna set that in, move this ball around and get it all nice and oiled up. Got my towel here, I'm just gonna place it over the bowl and the dough, and we're gonna let this rest for 1 hour. 1 hour has passed. Let's take a look. It doubled in size. Let's take this and portion it. Let's get this into a ball, and now we're gonna roll it out. Let's cook it up and see what happens. There you have it, some Turkish bread. Didn't turn out exactly how I had anticipated it to from what I saw in the video. Tastes okay, not bad. I give it a solid 6.5 out of 10. I think we have a better recipe video already. You gotta check that out. If I had to choose between the 2 recipes, I would go for that one. Check out some of these other great videos over here, and please support us by hitting that like and subscribe button.